Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO X300 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find the option Display Brightness and Eye Protection. Then let's scroll down and find the option Auto Lock. And here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short ones, and at the bottom the longest, which is 10 minutes. All you need to do is to tap on the option Duck to Use. I'll pick 5 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.